Right, so what's going on today?
Well, I'm still, I got, over here, I got the lights rewired.
Okay.
And the front is closed up now.
Adjustable hatches.
You just have to turn the lights a little bit and
Yeah.
you can lift it.
Okay.
And everything is closed off here. And I started closing off
In there too.
under there.
Okay.
So anyway, all you have to do here is put a bead of silicone underneath that lip
Yeah.
all the way around, a small bead, let it dry, and it's waterproof.
Okay.
And then the lights
Spin
yes,
back.
wherever
Yeah.
you like them.
Okay. So we've got this all jacked up now on both sides. You got it jacked up on this side, and we're gonna walk around and
Okay, now the ski rods are about 60%. Other than that, the skis are good. So you have to ask him if he wants me to go ahead and rebuild them yet or not.
okay.
And
Lots going on in here.
I'm waiting for the rotor.
Yeah.
Then I can put the brakes in. The brake cylinder is in there. I got linkage to hook up.
Look at that. Okay.
And then you were asking about the
Transmission cooler.
transmission cooler.
We didn't cover that. It used to be down here. You can't really see.
Down here, it's out. I
And-
took all that out. Look here.
Okay.
New hoses. And it's all fastened in here so that it's away from the heat.
Okay.
And there's the new transmission cooler.
And everything's been moved out and
Yeah,
shimmed, so you got
everything's
clearance.
moved out and shimmed.
Okay, so we didn't cover that in the previous video, but you can see what we're doing here. So yesterday I spent, I don't know how many hours unbolting all the carriage bolts from the one side of the track here that we can get at, and then we've put in the new track.
And all these bolts have to be pounded out.
Yeah, and we've put in some bolts in here just to slide it in, and our goal here is to actually just get all that. That's the reason why we got it all on dunnage here. We're just going to keep on spinning it until they're all back into place. But the old track, you can see some definite cracks in there.
So
So
the track is done.
that's what I was fooling around with here, and Dad and I were fooling around with for hours today.
Now this is going to be his electrical box. I don't know if we've done that before or not.
Yeah, we showed it, but
Yeah. Okay.
Dad is bouncing around from job to job here because he gets a little tired on one job, so he goes around to another job, and then we waiting on parts as well too. And but that's all the oil that came out of that
Yeah, well,
transmission.
that's normal. As soon as you pull that yoke out, it's not sealed anymore.
Yeah. So busy, and I mentioned this in the previous video. We likely have an international customer coming here in a couple of days, and we got our first touch of heavy frost and snow this morning, so we want to get as far ahead as we can get on this one so we can move it, and then we got some work to do on the yellow still, and Dad estimates 7 to 10 days, but we're waiting on parts there as well. Dad's going to put in a new bumper for the customer because he just doesn't like the bumper or the carburetor either. So we've got lots of work here, but the goal is to get it under power so that if we have to move any of the machines, we can. And
Put two new windshield wiper motors in there.
yeah, Dad doesn't like the winch.
They're buggers, eh?
Yeah, Dad doesn't like those either. So we're gonna do some work there. So other than that, guys, it's just you know, feed the dogs and visit with friends, but I'm trying to help out Dad as much as possible, and there's some medium swearing, not heavy swearing, and it's more frustration on his end that I don't know how to do things, but this was a big job getting everything up off the ground here today, and I'm glad we were able to do that because I can tackle this by myself if necessary. And
Right here, we can do all the wheel bearings, the bogies, and the chains, whatever
Yeah.
has to be done.
so that's one of the things that the customer asked, was to actually for us to check the bogies and the chains and all that other stuff. So we're going to be pulling off wheels on this machine at some point, and I don't like that tire. I just don't. But yeah, so this is a big job here. We had to figure how we were going to do this, but it's coming along nicely.
I can put an anchor in your hand.
Yeah. So that's it. That's what we're up to here, guys. I think it's October 27th or 28th. Can't remember. 28th, Dad says. It's a Saturday, anyways. Any tip of the day for the boys?
No, I'm running out of tips, so I've already said enough. Look
Okay.
them over good before you buy.
Yeah, that's it. Buyer beware, guys.